Good morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.15. This exercise is full of carrying 8 mark sums. First question, graph the following quadratic equations and state their nature of roots. First let us know about nature of roots. What is nature of roots? While plotting the point in a graph, it gives one parabola. If one point of parabola intersecting in x-axis, it is real and equal roots. If 2 points are intersecting in x-axis in parabola, that is real and unequal roots. If there is no point intersecting in x-axis means that is there is no real roots. Okay, come let's move to the first question. X square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, let us solve this. Y is equal to x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, see what are the terms are here? X square minus 9x plus 20. First let us take the tabular column x square minus 9x 20 and finally we have to write y. Here let us draw the tabular column. See the equation, what are the terms are here? X square minus 9x plus 20. Before finding x square we have to write the value of x. I am going to start from minus 5 to plus 5 because then only the parabola will be very bigger and clear. Okay, x square. What is the next term? Minus x, and what is your constant? 20. And then finally you have to find your y. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this values are we are going to find. First x square. X square means we have to square this x terms. What is the first x term here? Minus 5. Minus 5 square is 25. Minus 4 square is 16. Minus 3 square is 9. 4, 1, 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Next minus 9x. That means minus 9 into x. Minus into minus plus. 9 5s are 45. Minus into minus plus. 9 4s are 36. Minus into minus plus. 9 3s are 27. Minus into minus plus. 9 2s are 18. Minus into minus plus. 9 1s are 9. Minus into plus. Minus 9s into 0. 0. Anything is multiplied and divided by 0 is 0. Minus into plus, minus 9 1s are 9. Minus into plus, minus 9 2s are 18. Minus into plus, minus 9 3s are 27. Minus into plus, minus 9 4s are 36. Minus into plus, minus 9 5s are 45. Finally, the constant term is 20. There is no variable, so we can't do anything. So carry the 20 here. Write the 20. Okay, finally finding y value. Y value here, the equation y starts from x square. Here the y value starts from x square and ends with 20. So we are going to calculate from x square till 20. Okay, let us calculate this. 25 plus 45, 70, 70 plus 20, 90. 6 plus 6, 12, 5, 6, 7. 47 plus 9, 56. 18 plus 20, 38, 38 plus 4. While solving this x square till 20, 25 plus 45 plus 20, 90. 16 plus 36 plus 20, 72. 27 plus 20 plus 9, 56. 4 plus 18, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 20, 30. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 20, 20. First add both the positive term. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 minus 9, 12. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 minus 18, 6. 20 plus 9, 29. 29 minus 27, 2. 20 plus 16, 36. 36 minus 36, 0. 20 plus 25, 45. 45 minus 45, 0. Okay, plotting points. Plotting point minus 5 comma 90, minus 4 comma 72, minus 3 comma 56, minus 2 comma 42, minus 1 comma 30, 0 comma 20, 1 comma 12, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 0, 5 comma 0. Okay, come let's plot this. I'm going to take x-axis, y-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter 1 units and y-axis is 10 units because in a y-axis we have till 90. So we have to take from 10 units. We have to take 10 units. Okay. What is your first point? Minus 5 comma 90. So plot minus 5 comma 90. Right here minus 5 comma 90. Next point is minus 4 comma 72. Next point minus 4 comma 70 is here, 72 after 2 points. So write minus 4 comma 72. Next point is minus 3 comma 56. Minus 3 comma 56. So minus 3 comma 56 is between 50 and 60. Minus 3 comma 56. Next point is minus 2 comma 42. Minus 2 comma 42. 42 is between 40 and 50. Minus 2 comma 42. Next minus 1 comma 30. Minus 1 comma 30. So plot minus 1 comma, you have 30 here. So minus 1 comma 30. Next is 0 comma 20. 0 comma 20 is here. So 0 comma 20. Next 1 comma 12. That means x-axis 1, y-axis 12. So x-axis 1, y-axis 12. 12 means here. 1 comma 12. Next 2 comma 6. 2 comma 6. We have 5 here. So 1 point after that 5. That means 2 comma 6. Next point is 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 after 2 lines. So 3 comma 2. Next 4 comma 0, 5 comma 0. That means 4 comma 0 here, 5 comma 0 here. 4 comma 0, 5 comma 0. Okay, draw the parabola, join all the points here. After joining all the points, we have got the parabola like this. Now let us write the scale. Scale. What are the two axes we have? X-axis, y-axis. How many centimeters? X-axis 1 centimeter, y-axis 1 centimeter. X-axis 1 centimeter, how many units we have got? 1 unit. So x-axis 1 centimeter, 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter, how many units are there? 10 units. So y-axis 10 units. How to find the nature of solution? I have told already the nature of solution. If there is 1 point intersecting in x-axis means real and equal roots. 2 points are intersecting in x-axis means real and unequal roots. Okay, which condition is satisfied here? 2 points are intersecting here. So if 2 points are intersecting, there is 2 points are intersecting in x-axis. That means what are the 2 points? 4 comma 0, 5 comma 0. Then since the nature of solution is real and unequal roots. The nature of solution is real and unequal roots. Question number 5. Draw the graph of y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4 and hence use it to solve, x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here they have given two equations. In previous question, we have seen only one equation, but here they are given two equations. Let us solve the first equation, y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. Do the tabular column like previous question. What are the terms are here? X square, 3x minus 4. Before finding x square, we have to write x. Next, x square. Next term is 3x. And then minus 4. Finally, we have to find y. Let me take x values are minus 5 from minus 5 to plus 5 and draw the tabular column. Take the tabular column, x square, 5 square is 25, minus 4 square is plus 16, minus 3 3s are 9, minus 2 2s are 4, minus 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Next 3x, our next term is 3x. 3x means 3 into x. Here we have minus 5 as x value. So 3 into minus 5, minus 15. Plus into minus, minus. 3 4s are 12. Plus into minus, minus. 3 3s are 9. Plus into minus, minus. 3 2s are 6. Plus into minus, minus. 3 1s are 3. 3 into 0, 0. 0 is multiplied and divided by anything is 0. Have that in your mind. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Next, what is our constant term here? Minus 4. So, minus 4. Write minus 4. Okay. Next, see our equation y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. Here the equation starts from x square and ends with minus 4. So we are going to calculate from x square to minus 4. So no need to take that x value. Let us solve 25 minus 15. First let us add both the negative terms. Minus 15 minus 4 minus 19. 25 minus 19 6. 16, first add both the negative term, minus 16. Minus 16 plus 16, 0. Plus 9 minus 9 cancel, so minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel, so minus 6. Minus 3 minus 4, minus 7. Minus 7 plus 1, minus 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 4, minus 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel, so the balance term is 6. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 minus 4, 14. 16 plus 12, 28. 28 minus 4, 24. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 minus 4, 36. Now let us write the plotting points. What are the plotting points? Minus 5 to 6. Minus 5 comma 6, minus 4 comma 0, minus 3 comma minus 4, minus 2 comma minus 6, minus 1 comma minus 6, 0 comma minus 4, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 14, 4 comma 24, 5 comma 36, 3 comma 14, 4 comma 24, 5 comma 36. Okay, now after finding our plotting points, let us plot the graph first. Let us plot the points x axis, x dash, y axis, y dash. X axis 1 unit, 1 2 3 4 5, minus 1 2 minus 5. Y axis I am going to take from 2 units. I am going to take 2 units, 2 4 6 up to 30. Here minus 2 to minus 20. Okay, what is our first point? Minus 5 comma 6. Minus 5 comma 6 here. Minus 5 comma 6. Next point, minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 comma 0. Here x axis minus 4, y axis 0. So minus 4 comma 0. Next minus 3 comma minus 4. Minus 3 comma minus 4 is here. Minus 3 comma minus 4. Next point, minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 2 comma minus 6. Next point, minus 1 comma minus 6. Here minus 1 comma minus 6. Next point, 0 comma minus 4, 1 comma 0. 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4 and 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 here. 1 comma 0. Next point, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 14. 2 comma 6 here. 2 comma 6, 3 comma 14, 4 comma 24. 4 comma 24 here. 4 comma 24. Join all the points. After joining all the points, we'll have parabola like this. You have to write the equation of which the parabola occur. X square plus 3x minus 4. We have to write the equation on the parabola. Next, one more twist is here. Two equations. They are given two equations. So we have to solve these two equations in elimination method. I hope all you know elimination method. Let us solve our elimination method here. Y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. And next equation is 0 is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. Solve this equation. In elimination method, we have to change the symbols. So plus x square minus x square cancel, plus 3x minus 3x cancel, minus 4 plus 4 cancel. So the answer is 0. When we solving these two equations by elimination method, we have got the answer is 0. So y is equal to 0. Now let us write the point of intersection. Point of intersection in x-axis. What are the points of intersection here? Here one point is intersecting in x-axis and here also one point is intersecting in x-axis. What are the 2 points? Minus 4 comma 0, 1 comma 0. So write here minus 4 comma 0, 1 comma 0. What are the x coordinates? X coordinates is, what is your x coordinates? Minus 4 and 1. So x coordinate is minus 4 comma 1. Which equation? For the equation x square plus 3x minus 4. Write the scale here. X axis, y axis. X axis 1 centimeter, y axis 1 centimeter. Here we have take y x axis 1 centimeter, y units, y axis 1 centimeter, 2 units. So 1 unit x axis, y axis 1 centimeter, 2 units. That's all. 8th question. Draw the graph of y is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3 and hence solve x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here they have given two equations. One is x minus 1 into x plus 3 and other one is x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, let us solve the first equation. First write the first equation in a proper order. X minus 1 into x plus 3. Multiply these two terms, x into x square, x into plus 3 plus 3x, minus 1 into x minus into plus, minus 1 3 is a 3. Now simplify this, x square plus 3x minus 1x plus 2x minus 3. Then we have got one proper equation which is y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, next let us tableau column for this equation. What are the terms are here? X square plus 2x minus 3. First let us write x square, next term is 2x. What is your constant term? Minus 3 and then your y value. X term should be starts from 5, minus 5 ends with minus plus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1. Now we are going to write the equation. Now we are going to plot the tableau column for this equation. What are the terms we have here? x square plus 2x minus 3. So x square plus 2x minus 3 and y. Now x term I'm going to write from minus 5 to plus 5. So x square means minus 5 square. Minus 5 square is 25. Minus 4 square is plus 16. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 2 square 4. Minus 1 square 1. Minus 0 square 0. 1 ones are 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 16 square 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 2x means 2 into x. 2 into minus 5 minus 10. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 2 into 0 0. 2 into 1 2. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 3 6. 2 into 4 8. 2 into 5 10. What is your constant term? Minus 3. So write minus 3. Now here the equation starts from x square and ends with minus 3. So we have to calculate from x square to minus 3. So we have to calculate this minus 10 minus 3. First add both the negative term. After that we have to subtract with this 25. Minus 10 plus 25. Minus 10 minus 3 minus 13. Minus 13 plus 25 plus 12. Minus 8 minus 3 minus 11. 16 minus 11 plus 5. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 9. Plus 9 minus 9 0. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. 0 plus 0 0. 0 minus 3 minus 3. 1 plus 2 3. 3 minus 3 0. 4 plus 4 8. 8 minus 3 5. 9 plus 6 15. 15 minus 3 12. 16 plus 8 24. 24 minus 3 21. Here write the plotting point. The plotting points are minus 5 comma 12. Minus 4 comma 5. Right. Minus 5 comma 12. Minus 4 comma 5. Minus 3 comma 0. Minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 1 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 3. 1 comma 0. 2 comma 5. 3 comma 12. 4 comma 21. After writing the plotting point, plot the points in a graph sheet. After that we can solve both the equation. I am going to take x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter 2 units. Okay. First let us plot minus 5 comma 12. Minus 5 comma 12. Yeah. Minus 5 comma 12. Next point is minus 4 comma 5. Minus 4 comma 5. 5 is between 4 and 6. Minus 4 comma 5. Next point is minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 comma 0. Next point minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 2 comma minus 3 is between minus 2 and minus 4 here. Minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 1 comma minus 4. So minus 1 comma minus 4 is here. Minus 1 comma minus 4. Next point is 0 comma minus 3, 1 comma 0. 0 comma minus 3 is between minus 2 and minus 4. So 0 comma minus 3, 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 is here. 1 comma 0. Next 2 comma 5, 3 comma 12. 2 comma 5. 5 is between 4 and 6. So 2 comma 5. 3 comma 12. 12 is here. So 3 comma 12. Next point 4 comma 21, 5 comma 27. 4 comma 21. 21 is between 20 and 22. 4 comma 21. All the points we have get one parabola like this and write the equation on the parabola. X square plus 2x minus 3. Y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now let us solve both the equation using elimination method. Y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. What is your next equation? X square minus x minus 6. So 0 is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Change the symbol. minus x plus x square cancel, minus x square plus x square cancel, plus add this 2 plus 1 3x, plus 6 minus 3 plus 3. So y is equal to 3x plus 3. Now we have to plot one more tabular column for this equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 3. What are the terms are here? X, 3x plus 3 and y. Here we have to start from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. 3 into x, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 3 2s are 6. Here 3 is a common constant term and write 3. Y. Here y value, y equation starts from 3x to 3. So we have to calculate from 3x and 3. Minus 6 plus 3, minus 3, minus 3 plus 3, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Again we have to write one more plotting point for this equation. Plotting points minus 2 comma minus 3. So write minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 3, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 9. Equation we have to plot this point in a graph sheet. First point is minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 3. 3 is between 2 and 4. Minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0 here, minus 1 comma 0. Next point 0 comma 3. So 0 comma 3. 3 is between 2 and 4. So 0 comma 3. Next point 1 comma 6. 1 comma 6. So write 1 comma 6. And the last point is 2 comma 9. So 2 comma 9. 9 is between 8 and 10. So write 2 comma 9. Now join one line using this point. After joining these points, it will be a straight line. Now write the point of intersection. The point of intersection, we have got 2 points of intersection. One is minus 3 comma 0, another one is 1 comma 0. Minus 3 comma 0, 1 comma. Before writing the solution set, see the intersecting point 3 comma 12. The line and the parabola cuts in 3 comma 12. This side minus 2 comma minus 3. So write the solution set. The parabola with the straight line gives the root of equation. Then the solution set is minus 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 12. That's it. Thank you, students.